Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna remove some color off this wig we have here today. This is one of my old wigs. I'm pretty sure that you guys have seen a picture with me with this frontal wig. It's a 13 by 4. It was originally 613 here. I believe a vendor sent this to me. I don't remember what hair this is, but today we're gonna remove the color. So we're gonna start off with some shimmer lights, some purple shampoo. You can use any purple shampoo. I decided to use shimmer lights and some Arm & Hammer baking soda, and also some 20 volume developer, and I just mixed that until I got the consistency I felt like I wanted. So I didn't want it to be too thick, but I didn't want it to be too runny, and I just mixed that all together and I just added as much as I needed. Okay, so next I'm just gonna put my mixture aside, and then I'm gonna separate the frontal from the back because the color is mainly on the frontal, so I just want to take some of that color off. So I'm just gonna separate that frontal, and I'm gonna put that frontal in four separate sections, and I'm just gonna work that in. So I already did one side, so I'm just working on the other side, and I'm just gonna apply that mixture. And the hair is already moist, so I decided to do it on semi-wet hair so it can be easier to work it in too. But it's your choice. You can do it on dry hair, wet hair, not soaking wet hair, but damp hair or dry hair. It's up to you. It's your choice. Okay, so what I'm doing is working the remaining of the product left in the bowl into the 4 sections, just to make sure that I covered every single piece of hair. And next I'm just gonna take a comb and just detangle the hair a little bit so I don't have too much problems when I'm washing it out, because the product made the hair tangle a little bit, but that was okay. So the product does damage the hair a little bit, it dries it out. So after you do this treatment, you're going to definitely have to deep condition your hair, whether you're doing this on your natural hair or you're doing this on your weave. It does not matter. You're gonna have to deep condition and treat your hair if you want it to go back to normal, because your hair is definitely gonna be a little bit on the dry side. So I'm gonna continue to just work this product in, because like I said, I want to make sure that these colors are out and my hair is prepped and ready to go. So like I said, I'm gonna continue to work that in, and then I'm going to let this sit for about 25 to 30 minutes. You can choose to let it sit longer, but I'm just very impatient. It's up to you, but I personally don't recommend over an hour, considering that we did put developer in this, and it is a chemical and it does dry your hair out a little bit, so I wouldn't recommend over an hour.
Very boring minutes later.
So after about 25 to 30 minutes, probably a little bit less than that, because I was a little bit impatient. Like I told you guys, everything pretty much came out except the green. The green was still there a little bit because I didn't let it sit as long as I was supposed to, but it's okay because we're going to be adding blues back in, and that doesn't really bother me. But it came out so good. It removed every other color except the blue, but it's okay. This is the finished look, guys. This is how it looks after I wash the product out. The hair is still soft, as you can see. It's still soft. It's still good. Still looks good. If you like what you've seen here at Von Beauty, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you, Von Beauties. Mwah!